Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the Minor Roman 3 and connecting it to your device. Make sure battery is above 50%. Open the Marshall app or desktop updater and pair the headphones using Bluetooth or USB. Once paired, the app will check current firmware. If an update is available, you will see a prompt. Agree to proceed. This initial sequence ensures the device won't die mid-update, which could brick the unit. Make sure to close other apps that might interfere with the connection. You tap to download and then to begin the firmware transfer, watch the progress bar and follow any prompts. The updater may install in stages. Download, transfer, and apply, so be patient. Once the transfer starts, keep the headphones and host device close and avoid entering sleep modes or toggling Bluetooth. If a desktop updater is used, prefer USB for stability. After the transfer completes, the device will reboot automatically. Wait for the confirmation message. Before doing, you verify success by checking the firmware version in the app and testing sound, call quality, and button responses. Once the unit reconnects, play audio and try pairing with another device to confirm stability. If features changed, review settings to re-enable preferences. Finally, charge fully and enjoy improvements. If something goes wrong, try the update again, use a USB connection, or perform a factory reset as a troubleshooting step. If that fails, contact support for guided recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.